Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix oops an error occurred error into the actual ChatGPT itself. So if you're having this problem on ChatGPT or OpenAI, then I have some solutions for you. First things first, you can head over right here to your browser and then click onto those three dots, and then from in there scroll down until you can find the settings. Once you're on the settings, head over and search in here for cookies. You can see here this delete browsing data. Click on it right here and then choose in here for the last 7 days or for all time, depending on how long you have actually encountered this problem. Then choose in here the browsing history as well as cached image and files and click onto this delete data. What this will do is it will restore the state of the website of ChatGPT from once it once have before the error occurred. Another thing that you can do is you can open other browsers like Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera GX, and the likes. So that may also resolve the problem that we're encountering. You can also head over to a new tab and then head over to fast.com, then measure how fast your internet is. That is because the error usually occur because of an error connection on your actual Wi-Fi. So that's how you fix an error occurred on ChatGPT. Hope we help.